Welcome to Panda Tech Tips tutorial for playing Roblox on your machine or PC. Open the Microsoft Store and search Roblox. Press the install button. You will see Roblox is downloading. We can see blue bar is progressing. A small pop for Roblox will show. Press the launch button, press the sign up button. Now we have to create the Roblox user account. Populate the date of birth. Select month, day, and year. Populate username. Here I'm creating username Panda208016. You can create any username which does not exist in the Roblox database. Hit and try. If username is already exist in the Roblox database, then sign up pop-up will show error message. Provide password, select gender and press sign up button. Here you have to do verification. Roblox make sure you are not robot and attacker. Verification will be done using the Captcha Technology. Provide the right answer carefully. If verification failed, then Roblox will ask for the verification again and again. Unless Roblox is not sure that you are genuine user and interested in the Roblox account. After the verification done successfully, Roblox magic will be started. Now Roblox account is created successfully. You will be able to see default page of Roblox, where Roblox is showing the default list of games are available for the user. You can select any one game to start playing. But some game needs at least some Roblox point to start playing it. So, let's find out which game does not need any Roblox point to start playing it. Click the Brookhaven RP game. Then press the green arrow button. Game will be open. Now we can start playing the game with the arrow key button to move forward, backward, left and right. If you find this video helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel and keep commenting and liking the video. Thank you for watching.